Today on The Driver Dudes, I'm going to show you how to remove this lens to change the bulbs on a Citroen C5. Inside the boot you'll have this cover. This cover is quite easy to open. That'll come straight off. Once the cover is off, you'll see two bolts, and this is your wiring loom. So it should be a case of just removing these by hand and removing the loom, and the whole unit should come apart. Being careful not to drop them down. Now at the bottom of this is a little white pin. You just press that up while pulling out, and that'll be removed. So this is the wiring loom, and this is the part that you have to press. To remove it from the light. Okay, once you have it off, you'll have this neoprene gasket. Should mainly slide off, and we'll have this set up. So what you have to keep an eye out is for these little tabs. Tab here, tab down the bottom, and this should simply slide off. All the bulbs attached. Okay, so what we've got is the top bulb is a double filament P21W, P215W I think. It's 12 volt, 21 watt, and a 5 watt. The next one is an amber 12 volt, 21 watt. And the next one is just a standard 12 volt, 21 watt. P21W I think it is. So top one is double filament, middle one is amber, the bottom one is single filament. This is the indicator bulb for a Citroen C5. It's just an amber 12 volt bulb. Volt PY21W. So single filament, amber bulb, 12 volt, 21 watt. Make sure you never touch the glass on a bulb. If you do touch it, or you happen to touch it when you're fitting it, give it a clean with some alcohol, get the grease off it, because touching the glass can shorten the bulb's lifespan. Okay, so once you've changed one of your bulbs, it's just a reverse of taking it apart. So this goes back in. And clip into place. We put the neoprene gasket in. It's ready to go back on the car. So it has some guides to help it fit in, and the guides will go into different parts of the body. Once again, be careful not to drop them. Just screw on and tighten by hand. And then press in the loom.